Hi everyone, Marco here. This is a late afternoon walk on campus, just before an evening class. You'll hear natural English about moving through a real place, getting ready to study, and staying focused without pressure. Just listen, follow the moment, and stay with the story. Let's begin. It is late afternoon, and I'm walking slowly across the university campus while the light becomes softer around me. The sun is still there, but it no longer feels strong. Instead, it creates long shadows on the ground and gives everything a warmer color. The air feels fresh on my face, and even though there are many students moving in different directions, nothing feels rushed. Some people are walking in small groups and talking quietly, while others are sitting on benches, looking at their phones or reading. As I walk past them, I feel calm and comfortable, like I belong to this place. This semester, I am taking one subject that requires a lot of attention and concentration. It is not easy, and sometimes it feels challenging, but it is also interesting and meaningful for me. Today, I have an evening lecture, and I want to arrive early. I like giving myself time before class starts. It helps me feel prepared and relaxed, so I slow my pace and focus on my steps. I can hear my shoes touching the path under my feet, steady and familiar, and as I breathe in deeply, I feel my shoulders slowly relax. While I continue walking, I notice the buildings around me. They look quiet and solid in the soft afternoon light, and some of the windows reflect the sky, which is slowly changing color as the day moves toward evening. Trees move gently with the breeze, and a few leaves fall near the path. I adjust the strap of my backpack on my shoulder and keep walking, feeling present in my body and in the moment. When I reach the lecture building, I slow down even more and stop for a moment at the entrance. I stand there quietly, holding the strap of my backpack, and take a calm breath. I like this small pause before going inside. Then I push the door open and step into the building. Inside, the hallway feels cooler than outside. The air changes slightly, and my steps echo softly as I walk forward. The space is quiet, but it does not feel empty. I can hear distant voices, the soft sound of pages turning somewhere, and the quiet movement of chairs. I walk toward my classroom at a relaxed pace, knowing I still have time before the lecture begins. As I get closer to the classroom, I slow down again. I reach the door, place my hand on the handle, and open it gently. Inside, the classroom feels calm and focused. A few students are already there, sitting at their desks. Some are reading, others are checking their notes, and a few are simply sitting quietly. I scan the room with my eyes and choose a desk near the middle. I like this spot because I can see the board clearly and feel connected without being too close. I walk to the desk, place my backpack on the floor, and sit down. The chair moves slightly as I adjust my position. I take a moment to look around the room again. The atmosphere feels quiet but alive, as if everyone is preparing in their own way. I open my notebook and look at the clean pages. There is something comforting about blank pages before a lecture starts. I take out my pen, place it carefully on the desk, and straighten the notebook just a little. These small actions help me feel ready. The teacher is not here yet, so I decide to review my notes from the last lecture. I turn a few pages and begin reading slowly, line by line. I try not to rush. I want to understand the ideas again, not just remember words. As I read, I notice how calm my mind feels. My breathing is steady, my body feels relaxed, and for a moment, I forget about everything else. More students begin to arrive, and the room slowly fills with soft sounds. I hear quiet greetings, light laughter, backpacks being placed on the floor, and chairs moving as people sit down. Even as the room gains energy, it stays calm. I close my notebook for a moment and look around. Some students are talking quietly with each other. Others are already writing or reading, and everyone seems focused in their own way. I sit a little straighter and turn my attention toward the front of the room. Then the teacher enters. Almost immediately, the class becomes more silent. The lecture begins, and I listen carefully as the topic is introduced step by step. The teacher explains things clearly, and I find it easy to follow without stress. I start writing notes slowly, choosing only what feels important. I do not want to write everything. My hand moves calmly across the page, and I pause often to listen more closely. Sometimes I look up at the board. Sometimes I look back at my notebook, staying connected to the lesson. As time passes, I realize that I am not bored or anxious. I feel focused, steady, and present. At one point, I stop writing completely and rest my pen on the desk. I just listen. I want to understand the idea deeply, not only the words. This moment feels important to me. Learning at my own pace feels right, and I allow myself to stay with the explanation without pressure. The lecture continues smoothly, and the main ideas become clearer in my mind. I feel a quiet sense of confidence growing. Even though the subject is challenging, it feels possible. That thought stays with me as I write a few final notes. Eventually, the teacher reaches the end of the class. Students begin to move again, and the room slowly becomes louder. I close my notebook carefully, put my pen away, and place everything back into my backpack. I stand up and look around the classroom one last time. The space feels familiar now, and I feel a small but real sense of progress. I walk out into the hallway, where the light coming through the windows is softer than before. The afternoon is turning into evening. As I walk across campus again, I think about what I studied and how the class went. The subject is challenging, but it feels achievable, and that thought makes me smile slightly. I continue walking toward home, knowing I will review my notes later, and for now, I simply enjoy the calm and motivating feeling of learning. That afternoon, I walked across the university campus feeling calm and focused. I arrived early from my evening lecture and took my time before the class started. Inside the classroom, I sat down, reviewed my notes, and slowly prepared myself to learn. During the lecture, I listened carefully, wrote what I needed, and stayed present. When the class ended, I felt satisfied and motivated. The subject felt challenging but possible, and I left the campus with a quiet sense of progress. Repeat with me. I am walking across the campus calmly. I am walking across the campus calmly. The light feels soft and comfortable. The light feels soft and comfortable. I arrive early and feel prepared. I arrive early and feel prepared. The classroom is quiet and focused. The classroom is quiet and focused. I open my notebook slowly. I open my notebook slowly. I follow the explanations step by step. I follow the explanations step by step. I write only what I need. I write only what I need. I learn at my own pace. I learn at my own pace. The lecture ends without pressure. The lecture ends without pressure. I leave feeling calm and motivated. I leave feeling calm and motivated. This is how learning can feel: calm, clear, and steady. You do not need to rush. You just need to stay present. If this story felt easy to follow, your English is improving. Keep walking, keep listening, and keep learning with me. See you in the next episode.